Hey guys, today I'll tell you how to generate consistent characters with Leonardo AI. So first things first, go to image generation over here. Once click on image generation, enter your prompt. So I'll just copy and paste it. I'll add and just cut this part. Just copy and paste your prompt over here. And once you paste it, just click on generate. So if you want like a bit more quality and ultra like things, you can just get it by getting the premium version. I don't have them, but it'll get you more better results for your Instagram business. And as you can see, I've actually tried a bit down over there. So yeah, let this load up and we'll see what we'll get with this prompt. Okay, so the image is generated. Why is it showing explicit images? I don't know. Maybe some glitch, but yeah, this is not explicit. So yeah, this we have generated four goals. Almost every picture of it is similar, as you can see. Mostly it's a lot similar. So what we have to do is click on this three dots icon and click on copy seed and go to down over here to advanced settings and click on use fixed seed and just paste it down here. And now I'll just change my prompt to something like lady. I'll just in lady in forest. Lady in forest. So I'll just click on generate and let it generate. We'll see what happens when it generates. I don't know why it was showing explicit images for this, but it was weird. I don't know. So we have the images with us. It's not that accurate and similar, but we can see some. It's a bit similarity because, like as you can see, the face is a bit similar. Just the nose tip and the lips, all of that is not a bit similar, and the eyes also, it's not good and not thing. But yeah, you can actually get it. But I am using the normal quality version. I guess that's why fast version. That's why it's not showing accurately. But if you use quality and ultra, it'll show more better. And you know this they're releasing this new feature of this character reference, which is coming soon. So it'll get the exact images and thing. So yeah, let that release, and I'll create another video on that. So yeah, this is how you can actually kind of generate consistent characters with Leonardo AI, but just use your quality and ultra version as well. So yeah, that was the video, and thanks.